Today I will discuss with you how to MRI of parotid gland coronal planning. Look here, this is the protocol and showing here the image. First of all, this is the coronal, this is sagittal and another is transverse. And look here the coronal image. Now this one is transverse image. Look here. So coronal plane will be on the sagittal and transverse image. Look here this area. And now I check the sagittal image. Look and look here this area. This is the main problem in this patient. Look, now I nicely set up the planning following anatomy, physiology and now pathology right now. Okay, again check transverse image and showing here the parameters. Now everything fine, then finally apply.